Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you that how we can interface an I2C LCD with push buttons using STM32 microcontroller board. And for that, I'll be explaining this code for you all. First of all, this is a basic Arduino sketch that demonstrates how to interface with a 16:2 LCD screen using an I2C and read inputs from the two buttons connected to the STM32 board. The code first includes two libraries, wire.h and liquid crystal underscore I2C.h. The wire.h library is used for I2C communication and liquid crystal library is used to control the LCD screen. The liquid crystal I2C library is first initialized with the I2C address of the LCD screen, which is set to 0 into 27. The screen is set to 16 characters and has two rows. Two pins on the STM board are defined as button 1 and button 2. These pins are used to read the state of two push buttons that are connected to the STM. Now, in the setup function, the LCD is initialized and the backlight is turned on. The button 1 and the button 2 pins are set as inputs with the pull-up resistor enabled. Now, in the loop function, the code continuously checks if either of the two push button is pressed. If button 1 is pressed, the LCD screen will display the message Welcome STM32 on the first row of the screen. Then a delay of 100 milliseconds is also given so that to avoid any false trigger caused by the button bouncing. If button 2 is pressed, the LCD screen will be cleared of any messages. Overall, this code creates a simple user interface using an LCD screen and two push buttons that can be used to display message as well as clear the screen. So now let's test our code on the hardware. The code is pre-uploaded on STM32 and now we have to give it the power supply to display the desired output. As you can see, it is working. So when we press this button, it will display the message, and when this button is clicked, it will clear the screen. So this is how this project works.